The day that 27-year-old Tilam Leresh graduated into a Samburu Moran was among the happiest days of his life, according to his family, who cling onto this single photo that they have of Tilam. But in the same fields that he spent most of his life in, he would also fall and take his last sips of breath. On the other end of the gun was a British Army Training Unit Kenya soldier who claimed that he fired in self-defense. This is the story of Tilam Leresh. The gunshot that killed 27-year-old Tilam Leresh was one of the two fired from an SA-80 A2 rifle. At the time, Tilam and about 12 others were looking for greener pastures for their livestock, which they had taken for grazing at the vast Olkanjau area in Samburu County at approximately 11 a.m. on the Sunday of 10th June 2012. What Tilam and his friends didn't know is that the area they were walking in was part of the British Army Training Unit Kenya's exercise area, something which locals say was easy to miss.
Hakuna mtu alikuwa anajua hata wenyewe kwa sababu hakuna fence yoyote na hakuna ilani yoyote inakuambia usipite huko kwa sababu labda ni training area. Ni community land huwa wanakuja wanahaya wanafanyia training.
It has been 12 years since Tilam died, but his brother Jacob Leresh narrates the events of 2012 as if it happened yesterday.